Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to go over the new SUQQU Silk and Sparkle collection. This came out for Winter Collection 2020 and I did order this off of Selfridges. SUQQU.com does not ship to the US, so I did purchase these off of Selfridges. So let's get started. This collection is about the Asian embroidery and stuff. So this is the box it came in. It was sold as a set. It came with 2 eyeshadow palettes, and look at, I love this embossed SUQQU, and then it has the information on the back. I like the tone on tone. Came with a blush palette, and then it came with 2 lip fogs. Let me go over the eyeshadow palettes. This one is in 1750. I tried to find some information on the SUQQU website, but I couldn't find it there. And Selfridges does not have much on their website. But this is what the palette looks like. And it came with 2 palettes. Let me show you what the other one looks like as well. This is what the palettes look like. A lot of pinks in there, right? So this is 1750 and this is 1760. So let's go ahead and try these out. I will go ahead and swatch them for you. We'll go with the 1750 first. And I love that it has that SUQQU right there, so I'm going to try to not mess that up. So here are the swatches. So that's what the first one looks like. And this is what 1760 looks like. And it does come with a little sponge applicator and a mini brush. I do like the real SUQQU brushes. Ooh, and these feel really soft. Ooh, these might actually work. Okay, so let's go ahead and swatch 1760. So there are the swatches. This is 1750 and this is 1760. So let's go ahead and try these out. I do have the SUQQU, the cream foundation, the intense concealer, and the SUQQU powder on. I will leave a link up here as well as in the description box for my review on the SUQQU foundation, concealer, and powder, and spoiler alert, my favorite. So, okay, let's go with the eye palette. So this is the 1750. This is what that palette looks like. And let me bring you in a little closer. I gotta look at my swatches. I think you could get multiple looks from the swatches themselves. But let's go ahead and try this. I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush and go into this purple shade, and I'm gonna try to use that as a light transition shade. I don't have any eye primer on. Let's make sure that the concealer is not in my folds. Oh, look at how beautifully that blends. Do you guys see that? Then I'm going to go into this red kind of a shade, and using the same brush, I'm just going to get the outer portion of my eye and kind of just tap that in there, and then bring a little bit into the crease. Clean off my brush and go back into that purple shade a little bit. And let's, oh, too much. Let's blend that out, Look at how beautifully that blends. Now, I don't know that I would normally put red and purple together, but since it's in this palette, then I'm gonna take a flat shader brush and I'm gonna go into this pink color right here and put that on my lid. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm tapping it over the red area as well. Then I'm going to take a small smudger brush and go into this brown, and I'm going to line my upper outer line as well as a little bit of my lower lash line. Then I'm going to tightline my waterline on my upper waterline, put on mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and this is what that eyeshadow looks like. This is the 1750. Okay, let's try the 1760 now. Clean off all my brushes. Okay, for this one, I'm going to go into this light pink right here, and I'm going to just use a shader brush, and I'm going to go into that, and I'm going to put that onto my crease here. These are blending beautifully. Oh, these are so pretty. Then I'm going to go into this pink shade right here, and I'm going to tap that into my outer. Oh, it's coming out red too. Okay, let me take a smaller brush and see if I can blend that into my crease without having it overpower. There we go. Then I'm going to go back into the pink shade and blend that out again. That is pretty. Then I'm going in with my flat shader brush, and I'm going to go into this pink glitter color. I'm going in with the pink glitter color right onto my lid. It looks similar to this glitter when it's on the eyes, but I don't know if it's because this one has the red under it. And then I'm going in with a smudger brush, and I'm going to go into this brown color. And I'm going to line my outer third of my upper and lower lash line. Okay, let me go put on mascara, tightline my waterline up on top, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So let's go in with the blush palette. This is what the compact looks like. It's gorgeous. I love this SUQQU. It's debossed. Is that what you call it when it's engraved? And here's the gorgeous palette. Oh, now this is the 102. It's called 1990. And I fell in love with the last blush palette, so I'm really excited about this one. So let's go ahead and swatch these. I'm just going to go across this way. They're so buttery smooth. Aren't those pretty? And then let's go over the bottom line. Okay, next. Aren't those gorgeous? This one looks more like a bronzer than a highlighter for me. And this looks like more like a bright blush. It looks like it only has one highlighter, doesn't it? Okay, let's try this out. I'll go in with my SUQQU blush brush, and I'm gonna try this color that looks like a bronzer. In the pan, it looks like a highlighter, but right here, it looks like it's gonna be a bronzer. So I'm gonna try that first. I'm gonna tap that in, and let's see right here. Oh yeah, that's pigmented though. So that is really a highlighter, because it looks like a highlighter on my face. So let's skip that. Let's try this one right here. Actually, let's try this one. And I'm gonna clean off my brush. Let's go into this pink color and let's put that onto our cheeks. And the thing with this brush, I think it's squirrel hair, so it's really, really soft. So it's not going to bring a lot of pigmentation on, but look at how pretty that is. Can you guys even see it? Let me try it with a stiffer brush so you can get a better idea. This is my Surratt blush brush, and let's go into this one. There, you can see that better. Isn't that pretty? See, and down here you can see the highlight, the one that I thought was a bronze. But isn't that pretty? Okay, let me clean off my brush. For this side, let's try this one right here. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I want to try this color right here, so I'm going to bring that closer to my cheek area. Wow, these are so pretty. Let me bring a little bit of that here too. Okay, I'm going to go in with a little fan brush, and I'm going to try this highlighter up here. Look at that. And it's not glittery at all. That is gorgeous. Okay, I want to try this shade since I already used the bronzy kind of shade, this one on my other side. Hold my hair back. Gorgeous. This also has that bronze down here. Okay, I'm going back in with this shade and I'm going to do my nose. And my upper lip. Okay, let me put a little bronzer on. I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. Alrighty, now let's go in with the lip products. So far, I love everything. Okay, so I have the lip fog. I have mine in the color 102 and 103. So this is 102. Let's go ahead and swatch it on my hand. It's kind of like that lip souffle. So let's go ahead and try that. Let me take off my lip balm and let's try this. Whoa, that feels so comfortable. Now, it does feel like a mousse. It's starting to dry down, but it is so comfortable. So that's 102. Now let's try 103. Okay, this one is 103. Let's swatch it on my hand. Okay, this is more of a mauve, so let's try this on. This is a pretty color too. So this is 103. Okay, what do you guys think? This is the holiday collection from SUQQU. So let's go over these products. You guys already know that I love the face product. The SUQQU Cream Foundation, the Intense Coverage Concealer, and the SUQQU Soft Velvet Powder. I love those. The eyeshadow products blended beautifully. Now, this is out of my comfort zone with the red, orange, and the purple together like that. But I do love this one. But you know what? I know I'm gonna get use out of this because I like to do things out of my comfort zone. But this one is gorgeous. This is my favorite out of the two. Yeah, but all these blended out beautifully. So love those. I love the blush palette. These blend out so good, and the pigmentation is like just right. It's amazing how good SUQQU does their products. So this is a huge win for me as well. And the lip products, even though they're the liquid lip souffle and I'm not really a matte person, this is so comfortable. So I'm glad to have this. I do want to try their liquid fog glosses next. So that should be, that's on my wish list. So I'll be trying that sometime in the near future. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoy this type of video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you next time.